Hi guys, welcome back to this concept-based YouTube channel. Today I will solve class 9 maths problem exercise 4.3 question number 2. As we can see the questions here, it is give the equations of two lines passing through 2, 14. How many more such lines are there and why? The first part of this question is to find equations of two lines passing through 2, 14, and the second part that we have is how many such lines can we get it from this point, and the third part is why we can find so many such equations. We have to state the reason, right? So these are the three things which is included in these equations. The first part is to form equations of two lines passing through 2, 14. Now let us begin this. Here we have 2, 14. By using this we have to form two equations. In order to form equations, first let us write it like this so that it will be easy for you to understand this. First of all, let us write 2, and after that 14, and in between these two let us keep plus. 2 plus 14. 2 plus 14 is 16, right? Then let us name it 2 as x and plus remain as it is. And after that 14, let us write it as y, x plus y, right? 2 plus 14 is 16. 2 we take it as x, and 42 we take it as y. And if you add these two, you will get 16, alright? Now this is the one equations. Then let us find another equations. Now 7 times 2 minus 14, right? 7 times 2 is 14, and 14 minus 14 is 0, right? And as we take 2 as x and 14 as y, same as this, even here let us solve this. 2 as x and 14 as y. 7 times of x will give you 7x minus y equal to 0, right? So this is the way of forming an equations in this. Whatever points that it is given to us, let us use these points in such a way that we can form an equations, right? Likewise, if we change the numbers in this, we will find so many equations. Then to answer the questions which is in the second part, how many more such lines are there? There's infinite number of lines we will get in this, right? So this will be the answer for that. Let us write here. There are infinite number of lines are there, right? And let us write the reason. Actually the question has success in this. Why? Let us write the reason. It is because whenever we change the values here or making some kind of change even in the sign, we will form so infinite numbers of equations. By using the equations, we can form infinite number of lines, right? Because of that, here we have infinite numbers of lines, right? Thus the reasons will be there are infinite number of equations. Is it clear to all of you guys? the first questions, we can get an answer from this by taking two equations, and the third part of these questions we can get an answer from this, because whenever we change the values or whenever we change the sign, then we can form it so many equations. By using that equation, so we can form so many lines, right? Means infinite numbers of lines. Thus we can answer the second part of the question by this, and the third part, that is the reasons, we can answer it by using this. All right, the reasons why we write it is, let me show you some kind of an example here. Let me put the values of 8 here. 8.2 means 8 times of 2 minus 14. 8 2 are 16, and subtracting 14 from 16, it will give you 2. Here 8 is 8, and let us take this 2 as x minus this as y, and after that we will get 2. So this is another equations. Likewise, if we go on like this, we will form, or we will find infinite numbers of an equations which can be used as to represent infinite numbers of lines, right? So these are all the things which the questions has access to get in this. All right, so this is the problem. If you guys can understand it this, then it's good, but those who have any problem in this, comment down below. I wish you all the best. Hopefully we'll see in the next videos. Thank you.